Benlake.
Speaker, may I also join others in paying tribute to the Minister for his work in this matter and the Government's response to Sir Brian Langstaff's recommendations today. I should also like to thank him for his intention to ensure that the administrative burden placed on those infected and affected is limited as far as possible. And with that in mind, can I ask him for clarification as to on the level 2B severity category, and indeed the increase for those who were infected when they were younger than 18, whether these new mechanisms will be adjusted automatically for those existing claims, or whether claimants will need to apply or in other way work to get those applied to their cases.
Yeah, I'm grateful to the Honourable Gentleman, both for his remarks and indeed to the support of him and his party that's been helpful across this process. With regard to his point about existing claims where there's been a change, the objective is to make it as easy as possible, because I don't want to go back into that situation where people are being asked to produce repeatedly different pieces of evidence. So it's absolutely where there's an impact on an existing claim that it is made as easy as it can be.